Come on. You sit down. That's definitely the Murtlap. You must be particularly susceptible. See, you're a muggle, so our physiologies are subtly different.
Ew.
Stay still.
Ah.
Right, that should stop the sweating. And one of those should sort the twitch. You take that. Come on.
What's you got there?
This, the locals call swooping evil. Not the friendliest of names. It's quite an agile fella. I've been studying him, and I'm pretty sure that his venom could be quite useful if properly diluted. Just to remove bad memories, you know. Probably shouldn't let him loose in here, though. Come on. Come on. Down you come.